This video is the worksheet 4 for unit 14. Is it 14? Worksheet 4, and I have to do 9, 11, 13. Here's 9. Determine whether the value of limit, or determine the value of limit x approaches 1 of log of x over sine pi x, or show that it does not exist. All right, so let me try plugging in 1. This would be log of 1 divided by sine of 1 times pi, which is pi. Well, log of 1 is 0. I'll show you that on Desmos. Log of 1 is 0. And then sine of pi is also 0. You can look on your unit circle or use a calculator. Make sure you're in radians mode. Sine of pi is 0, so 0 over 0. Indeterminate form, let me try L'Hopital's rule. See what happens. The derivative of log of x is the derivative of x, which is 1, divided by x itself, 1 over x. And the derivative of sine pi x is going to be derivative of sine is cosine pi x. But then by the chain rule, I have to take the derivative of what's inside. The derivative of pi x is pi, so I have to multiply that by pi. So 1 over x times pi over cosine pi x. Now let me try putting the 1 in there. I get 1 over 1 divided by pi times cosine. Pi times 1 is pi. Look on your unit circle or plug it into the old calculator. Make sure you're in radians mode. Cosine pi is -1. So this is 1 over 1 is 1 over pi times -1. So that's -1 over pi, or 1 over negative pi, however you want to say it. So that's number 9. 1 over negative pi by L'Hopital's rule, because I got that indeterminate form. So that's 9. Let me go find 11. I guess it'll be here. I'm guessing on that one. Okay, so this is the limit as x approaches 2 of e to the x squared minus e to the 4th over x minus 2. Let me try plugging in that 2. That equals e to the 2 times 2, 2 squared is e to the 4th minus e to the 4th, which is 0, divided by 2 minus 2. I'm just plugging in 2. That's 0. Indeterminate form, L'Hopital's rule. What's the derivative of ex squared? Well, it's going to be ex squared, or e to the x squared power, rather. And then times the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. So 2x e to the x squared. And then e to the 4th is just a number. There's no x there. So the derivative of e to the 4th is 0. So that's minus 0. Divided by the derivative of x minus 2. Derivative of x is 1, divided by 1. And now it says as x goes to 2. Well, L'Hopital's rule, first take the derivative of the numerator denominator, and then try plugging in the number for the limit. So this is 2 times 2, which is 4, times e to the 2 squared is 4, divided by 1, 4e to the 4th. That's d. And then I also have to do 13. Limit as x goes to a of x minus a over log x minus log a. Well, if I plug a in, I get a minus a, which is 0. Log a, I'm just plugging in a for x, log a minus log a, which is 0. Indeterminate form, L'Hopital's rule. Let me take the derivatives. Derivative of x minus a is just 1. Derivative of log x is derivative of x divided by x minus derivative of log a. There's no x in there, so that's just 0, minus 0. So this is 1 over x, which when I'm dividing by a fraction, I flip it and multiply. 1 times x over 1 equals x. And as x goes to a, I'm just substituting a for x. And that is a. As x goes to a, I'll plug in a for x, I get a. So that is answer choice D. And I think that's all of them that I have to do. Let me double check it. I'm on L'Hopital's rule, and I had to do 1 through 6, done in the last video, 9, 11, 13. Check, done.